got pink gums. And he has white shorts.
Oh, this is eating harder.
Hold on.
Holy crap.
Colin, you put... Guys, go get some more hay. Oh, look at your pink stain. Look at his pink stain.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I can't even move it. It's like jammed.
Keep on doing it.
You can just push it up.
Put that on Facebook.
Post it on Facebook. A grass machine.
Can I try?
No, because this chain will get caught in your t-shirt and it'll stain it black. But mine's already black. Alright, you ready? Grass machine!
I want to get some of that.
Let
Mom
me
told me
try.
not
It
to.
won't get stained, I promise. No, because this... No, I just don't. Dude, are you happy to get that?
The grass machine. A bike tire.
Get
away. Get me away.
Someone go get more hay. Is that hay?
That's insane! Wait, watch until he gets a big load and then put it all in there. Okay? Here.
Go get it a lot.
Don't hurt your fingers.
Okay, Colin, that's enough. We're gonna...
Here, Colin.
Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh.
Go!
Bryn,
It's a grass machine!
Oh my.
Sing a song. Make a song about it.
Grass machine! Da da da! Grass machine! Da da da!
There's a puppet.
Hey, Colin, come here. No!
He had a D on it.
Colin, come here.
And the guy asked, why is there a D on
Here,
the
stop for a
outfit?
second.
It's my theme song. Dun, da, da, da.
Colin, stand up. Actually, don't stand up like grass.
Look
Go
at him.
get some more hay.
There's a tree in here. There was a tree in
Don't
here.
pull it out!
I'll get some more grass.
I'm parking this bike outside.
Wait, are they done?
Merrick, look it.
It's a grass tire.
What are your opinions on the grass tire, sir?
Whoa.
Grassy.
Yeah, Jared, maybe.
Would you call it degrassy?
I would call it scarecrowy.
I would call it degrassy.
Colin, the grass machine. Colin,
You got more?
Colin, put it there.
Here we go. Look at Colin, you're insane.
Go! It's a grass. It's grass 2000. It's getting jammed.
Okay, do some more. Do some more. I want to get closer.
You're gonna get straight, Josh.
Every time.
Ah! I am covered.
I'm covered.
It itches.
It
It itches.
Hey, you better clean all that stuff off before you get in my car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've never invented a grass machine?
Oh my gosh, you guys are dumb.
It was my idea.
Grass machine.
What does it feel like? It hurts my fingers.
This is the craziest invention ever.
Best
is awesome.
invented.
It's the best thing since sliced bread and silly bands. Silly bands. Silly bands are awesome.
Oh, my sister has some.
Yeah.
I thought you had some too.
Me?
It's like a total grass tire.
Why are you taking a video?
Cause
Holy crap.
for YouTube.
We're gonna put it on Facebook.
No, I'm not.
God.
I don't post
What are you gonna name it? Grass machine?
gas machine.
Yes.
I should.
Gas machine?
Gas machine.
Grass machine.
No, I'll name it.
No, it's like
I don't know what I'm naming.
Feels so hot.
Sucks your fingers in.
Hey, Kyle. Oh, David, go get some more.
I'm gonna call it raining grass. Question mark. Exclamation mark. Question mark. Exclamation mark. Question mark.
Oh,
What?
that's
Who's
so
Shamar?
I said question mark.
Oh, I thought you said Shamar.
Hey, wait, watch me get up.
Bryn, get out of the way.
Feel soft.
Grass man. Feel it.
I don't want to.
It sucks your fingers in.
Wait, I'm gonna hit the
Break
brake.
and into it. Because don't get any grass off. Don't peel it off. Stuff it.
Oh God, that was weird.
Here, give me it.
Push all that stuff off now, bud.
Stop.
This is crazier than degrassy. Get it?
No, this is crazier than sliced bread.
Do that again.
A silly band.
This is crazier than silly bands.
Oh my gosh. We're at a soccer game. Oh my gosh, it's jammed.
All right, let go, Colin.
Look at it.
Oh, it's
You're not gonna
jammed.
be able to ride that home if you have stuff all that in there.
We can pull it out.
Get in gear.
Yeah, this is fun. I'm like walking back and forth. Someone go somewhere else. And by the way, I'm at my brother's soccer practice. Or scrimmage, whatever. Who cares? Not me. I'm gonna go to Buffalo Wild Wings. So, this is vlog number 2. So, I will make another video when I see something interesting. The grass machine. This is the grass machine. This is awesome. See you guys later. Bye.